So guys, as you can see, we have reached Pushkar and this is the view from my balcony. You can see the sun setting behind the hills there and the beautiful like the meadows and the greenery in front. And yeah, so that is the entire view. And and honestly, I have chosen this place because of the quietness. The hotel, it is a little away from the main like the ghats where it is very crowded, and I wanted to be away from people and be in front of nature. As you can see, I don't know if you can see or not, but there are some fruits there on that tree, which is so nice to look at. So yeah, currently I am just enjoying this sunset and waiting for some food that I have ordered.
Enjoying the coffee with this view was one of my favorite things to do here.
This cap, I have got this cap just to wear for today, and yeah, this is my OOTD. The entire outfit is from H&M except for this, which is from a local market in Nainital. As you can see, it is a bright, beautiful, sunny morning, and I'm so excited. We are going to explore a few places. I'll take you guys along. So if you like the vlog, do not forget to hit that like button, and if you are watching me or my channel for the first time, please subscribe because I come with new videos for you guys every week. So let's get started. So guys, this is our breakfast. We are having just hot Maggie, and along with it the chai and coffee to aane wala hai. And today is one of my friend's birthday, so also the cake will be coming in a short while. We have ordered that. So yeah, first we are going to enjoy this hot coffee in this cold, not coffee, like hot Maggie along with coffee in this cold weather. Here the cake for my friend has already come. It has happy birthday idiot written on it, and it's a chocolate cake with some strawberry design on the top. It looks quite pretty and cute, so we are excited to cut it, and my friend is still getting ready. So yeah, then we will cut it, and my friend is not comfortable coming in front of camera, so I can't show you cutting the cake and all, but I'm so excited to eat more cake. So guys, this is the famous Brahma temple. This is the only Brahma temple in India, and it is very famous. It is quite crowded, as you can see right now. Very crowded, and I have to go inside that, but the problem is first we will go down and we will go to a ghat, and then we will go inside this. So guys, you can see the beautiful market on both the sides of near the Brahma temple. They are selling a lot of Rajasthani like outfits, as well as a lot of like other things are also there, like bangles and stuff like that. So we are exploring the market right now, and this is the walk to the Sarovar that we are going, or the ghat. And after the market and the ghat, then we will enter that Brahma temple. So you can actually spend a lot of time here. Look at this daggers and the knives that they are selling here, the collection. And the next to it is the Jyoti shop where I am targeting, and my friend is trying out all these knives which look very scary. Ghat that I was telling you about. And yeah, so this is the ghat in front of the Brahma temple, which is very famous. So first we will be taking, like we have to keep your shoes there and then go down. And you can see the beautiful mountains at the background, which are a little foggy right now. And we will go down there, and then we will take the walk back through the market to the temple, and I'll take you guys along with me. So guys, we have now come to this cafe. As you can see, it's called Cafe Lake View, and this is the view, and we are going to enjoy some snacks and lunch, mainly like a little bit of lunch with this view and this breeze. It's very like it's very windy here. So this is the ticket counter where you have to go to get the tickets, and yeah, once you have the tickets only then they will allow you to reach the top of the Savitri temple. Path looks really pretty, all these winter flowers, and now we are walking towards this ropeway thing to reach the temple. guys, look at this view from the top. You can see the people down there, so tiny. And oh my god, this aerial view, this is like almost getting a drone shot from the top. Yeah, and there is also a way you can go by like climbing, but I am too lazy for that, so I'm taking this ropeway. Guys, today we are checking out from here, and that is it for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. And I know I have covered only a few places here. That's because I didn't want to make it too much hectic. I wanted a nice relaxing trip, and that's why I have shown only and covered a few places only. And I will again see you guys again in my next video. And if you like my vlogs and my videos, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And till then, bye.